to open these footwatch packs with Alabab 27. I call him Alabab. Whatever. And I'm with him and his other brother.
Nem 12-től kell tehát.
Okay, so
Oh, look, my Staruski.
You ready? You can't hear him again. Hey,
Of course
Alaba,
I'm ready. I'm
you
ready any day, son.
Okay, so let's just get into this.
I already started. I got Pastore. Can I just get a good green, man?
I've got so many good greens and so many bad greens. Like it's been annoying.
I got no good players. You know who's my best player? So far, my highest rated is Chiellini.
Hey, let me hide this. Can we get someone good?
Oh my god. Happy hour packs are so bad
Last
for me.
time, guys. No, I spent 8.6 mil, and you guess how much profit I earned? 1,626,000.
Yo, these greens are pissing me off. They're actually pissing me off.
Profit 1,626,000. That's insane. That is so much. I can't believe I got Dizzily and then I didn't store him in the club or whatever his name is.
I got Aguero. Yes, come on, my first good one. No, not normal. Not normal one. I got the green one from Atletico. He's worse, but he's still 100k.
But you already have him.
I know, but I still stored him in the club.
Okay.
Yo, you know what was my best pack value so far?
Okay.
What?
It was 174k.
Yo, Alaba's best pack value was 174k.
Yeah, 174k.
And my best pack value was 2,092,000.
I got him from Ruffier.
How much is he worth?
100k, I think. No, 50k for an 84.
Alaba got inform Ruffier. I don't
And then
think
I get a
that's
green.
good, but whatever.
Oh, I got a green. Okay, my pack looks starting to change,
I'm gonna
guys.
go under the table.
My pack look is starting to change, guys. Okay.
Did we get anyone? Oh my god, who was our best player? It was probably Divrich or Paredo or Ratungan.
Oh.
Or Farino.
Yo, Techno.
Yeah?
Let's do 10 discard packs.
Okay, 10 discard packs.
You guys can see if I get anyone good.
I hope I don't get someone good.
Don't look. You just open packs.
Okay. I'm not gonna look. Okay, happy hour. Who do I get? Please not someone good. Okay, I'm not looking.
Well, I don't want to look at the pack. I just have to look.
Hey, I hope I got someone. No, what am I saying? Someone? I hope I got no one good.
I'm just gonna hold my finger there.
Please, no one good. I'm not looking to get someone good. Unless I got Messi.
Oh my god, this. Oh. No, you're not gonna get Messi. Oh my god.
Okay.
You can look. You just have to discard it anyway. I just close my eyes and then quickly.
Okay, I'll be
You
looking,
could look.
But discarding these. Okay, next question. Oh my god.
Oh my god, you guys! I just got green. Just got a green, and then if I went on this, if I went on storing club, that means I'm cheating. But I'm not. See, it still says that, so I'm gonna go on, open another one, and I can't go back. So.
There hasn't been anyone good to discard.
Oh my god! I just got Mignolet. I can't believe that.
Mignolet's not that good.
That's what I said.
I hope I'm gonna close my eyes, please.
Mindjárt kész vagytok.
I hope I don't get anyone good.
Do you guys want to see a part 3?
Why on earth would you do a part 3?
I don't know. Just make like a part 3.
I can't believe Oliver's saying he wants a part 3. Okay,
We can make this a series whenever happy hours come out.
okay, guys. No, not happy hours. Whenever it's Super Sunday.
Okay. Or Saturday.
Or I got silver informed, but hey, okay.
Happy hour packs are so bad.
The discard packs are done, so
I was done a long time ago. These packs are really
no,
bad.
it's because I opened
These packs are really bad.
After that pack, I barely got anyone. After Dizzily, I didn't really get anyone.
Yo, I'm getting so bad. If I can get like anyone.
The best player after Dizzily was probably De Bruyne.
Yeah, I got De Bruyne right now. My best player on this
Bad.
English goalkeeper West Ham.
It's not even penalty.
Oh yes, I don't have him yet. Robert Green. Okay, whenever Green comes up, I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, whenever Green comes up, I'm gonna zoom in. If I get something big, you guys will see what happens.
Let's see this guy.
Yep.
This is it. If I don't get anyone, I'm gonna go. I don't know what I'm gonna.
No, we didn't get anything. I got
I'm
Matt.
not normal today. I'm not normal. I got Mathos. I'm happy with that. I discarded Dizali, and I'm not happy with that. Oh, please be someone good. It's someone bad, but I don't have him, so I'll take it.
Oh my god.
Please, can we get someone good for what? No, I don't want Thiago. I want this guy.
Yes, inform. Kulabi. What a pack! What a pack! It's worth 200k. I got Philip Lahm, David Silva, Griezmann, and Inform.
Guys, if you actually want to see a part 3 of this, I will do. I'm making it a series with what's his name? This guy I'm chatting with.
I'm gonna do.
Oh, okay. I can take that. That's good. That's actually good. Informal last.
I'm gonna skip these packs.
Booyah. Yeah.
I'm gonna skip these packs.
If you guys, I won't make a part 3 of this, but I could start making a series with Benny. Each Sunday or Saturday, we will open the throwback.
This is my little. This is a little log. Look at it.
Am I talking too loud? I don't know.
It's a little log right here. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my God! I'm not getting anyone. My total profit now is 27k, and we get no one.
Oh my God, these packs. I'm so sorry, everybody that watches us. This is so bad.
This is probably no enjoyment.
Yo, they're gonna get
I'm not looking. I'll discard this pack. I wonder who we got.
You remember when I got Hullet?
Okay,
remember when I got Hullet? Guys, I'm gonna do a club tour, and I showed you every card that I got so far. I got a really good player. I got a legend in a pack. Maybe you heard his name. I just said it. Techno remembers that, don't you?
What?
When I packed the legend, don't say his name. Remember the legend I packed?
Yeah, but you told them you packed him, but I don't know if you posted that video.
No, I will. I will post them after. So you guys, I will post that. Okay?
Please, can I'm done. I don't like this. Oh my. No, just, just a little bit to the side. I just got a silver inform with 94 pace. That's insane. How much is he worth? Oh my god, he's worth 360k. Bruh.
No, yo.
Wait, let me check this guy's channel. Don't
Okay, so let's make a. So this is gonna be the end of this part. It's already been 10 minutes. We're gonna do one more part.
Okay, guys, as Benny said, I don't know if you heard him, but we're gonna be doing a part 3 of this, which is gonna. Wait, is it gonna be the last part, or is there gonna be a part 4?
No, this is the last part. That's the last part.
There's gonna be a part 4. No, Benny, no.
This is the.
No, there's gonna be a part 4.
We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe you can do that.
There's gonna be a part 4.
But guys, hope you guys enjoy this.
Eventually, part 3.
So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and everything. And see you guys next part.